What's up? It's Jeffrey. Today we are back in the Muslim quarter and we're gonna enjoy something the locals line up for from morning till noon. Let's check it out. And here it is. This is what we came for, the guantang bao, the soup dumplings. This is what people line up for from noon or even from morning till noon. Wow, delicious. And so I have two long, so two baskets of the baozi here with me. And as you can see, now let's take a look. Wow, look at the soft dough skin. And as you can see, also almost see-through. So you can see the soup inside of the soup dumpling. Doesn't that look delicious? And for these dumplings, as you can see, the top is not closed off, and there's a very good reason for it, because the beef broth gelatin inside becomes liquid, returns to its liquid state when steaming. So as you can see, wow, look at this, look at it oozing out. And it's actually very good, because if you do not have this hole in the top, they might explode during the steaming process, and of course that's something you wouldn't like to have happening to you. So when going in for a taste, be careful not to burn your mouth off, because inside it's the liquid soup and it will blow your tongue out, it will scald you as you have never been scalded before. So be careful. In order not to burn your mouth, there are two ways to go about it. Now let's get a waiter to come and help us and show us how to do it.
轻轻夹起，慢慢摇，包子旁边戳个洞，对，包子提起掏流劲，你看这刚蒸出来的汤有多少？这么多汁。对。那这个烫不烫？然后未吃包子先品汤，你先把汤喝掉，然后包子再这个佐料吃。好了。
And another way of doing it is, and this is my favorite one, is like taking the dumpling, putting it on your spoon to cool down, just put it there 3-4 minutes, it should be fine. And then this way, the soup is still inside, and when you eat it, there will be an explosion of flavors into your mouth, like the soup in combination with the beef inside. Perfect. Soup dumplings by itself are already very delicious, but if you want to add some extra flavor, you can add this spicy sauce. So you can see the reddish color over there. Oh, look at that. You have like the lajiangmian, so the spicy chili powder, you have the vinegar, you have the soy sauce, and a bit of sesame oil, which make it into a very Xi'an, a very fragrant combination. Now let's have a try. So good. So the beef broth is a very rich, an abundant flavor. I sense a bit of ginger, a bit of garlic in there, and like the combination with the spicy sauce, which actually is not very spicy, but that it adds that little bit of extra. 2 thumbs up. Absolutely stuffed, and it was absolutely delicious. Today we had the guantang bao, the soup dumplings, and it's definitely a must-see when you come to the Muslim quarter. The soft skin, the delicious meat inside, and of course the soup, a must try. Hope to see you here soon.